Traffic surveyors play a crucial role in assessing and analyzing traffic patterns and conditions in specific areas. In Noida Sector 50, traffic surveyors are especially important due to the high population density and heavy traffic flow. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys, collecting data, and providing valuable insights that can be used for future traffic planning and management. One of the key aspects of traffic surveyors in Noida Sector 50 is their expertise in Scon design. Scon design refers to the design and implementation of traffic control devices such as traffic signals, road signs, and markings. Efficient Scon design is essential for ensuring smooth traffic flow and minimizing congestion in busy areas like Sector 50. The traffic surveyors in Noida Sector 50 PHP are well-versed in the latest Scon design principles and techniques. They have a deep understanding of the local traffic conditions and the specific needs of the area. This allows them to develop effective Scon designs that cater to the unique characteristics of Sector 50. By conducting thorough surveys and analyzing the collected data, traffic surveyors in Noida Sector 50 can identify areas that require improvements in terms of Scon design. They can pinpoint locations where traffic signals need to be installed or upgraded, where road signs need to be placed for better guidance, and where road markings need to be optimized for improved visibility. The role of traffic surveyors is not limited to just data collection and analysis. They also collaborate with other stakeholders such as city planners, engineers, and local authorities to implement their recommendations. This collaborative approach ensures that the Scon design improvements are aligned with overall urban planning goals and address the specific needs of Noida Sector 50. When evaluating and analyzing traffic patterns and conditions in particular locations, traffic surveyors play a key role. Traffic surveyors are crucial in Noida Sector 50 because of the dense population and strong traffic volume. These experts are in charge of conducting surveys, gathering information, and offering insightful analysis that may be applied to future traffic planning and management. The knowledge of Scon design that traffic surveyors in Noida Sector 50 possess is one of their essential characteristics. The design and implementation of traffic control equipment, such as traffic lights, road signs, and markings, is referred to as Scon design. In congested regions like Sector 50, efficient Scon architecture is crucial for guaranteeing smooth traffic flow and reducing congestion. The Sector 50 traffic surveyors in Noida. The most recent Scon design principles and methods are well known to PHP. They are quite knowledgeable with the neighborhood's unique requirements and the traffic patterns in the area. This enables them to create efficient Scon designs that take into account Sector 50's special peculiarities. Traffic surveyors in Noida Sector 50 can pinpoint locations that need modifications in terms of Scon design by conducting detailed surveys and analyzing the data gathered.